Maybe it's in the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive fate. Now I got a bellyache.
So, the next style I'm going to show you is really something that's great for your second day of hair when you're just kind of going really quick out the door, but you still want to look professional or something, right? Kind of look like you spent more time than you did. So, you start off, maybe retouch your beach waves real quick, but other than that, you should be really ready to go. I'm kabobbled, sorry. So, we are going to want to prep the back a little bit. Pull it up. And lightly back comb, really, really lightly, nothing crazy, just enough to kind of bump it up a little.
It's imaginary, but I'm a masterpiece. You know I do it for me. And all my colors and paints.
And take a piece right up here. And braid it.
You know I do it for me.
Okay, so you can go here, start pulling them out a little bit, make it bigger.
Lines in my shapes, every move that I make. You know I'm worth it. I am extraordinary. I am a masterpiece. You know I do it for me. Oh, just the way I like it. Just the way I like it. Just the way I like it.
Ta-da! Not sure what it looks like, but it looks cute from the front, and that's all that matters.